Hello guys, for this time we are going to explain about non-verbal communication with me Febriani Boruta Barat and my friend Mardia Wika, Sadia Permaiswari, Iva Luxpia, Wira Krisnawati and Yuyun Aktania. Happy watching!
Non-verbal communication is communication process in which messages are not conveyed use words. The example of non-verbal communication is gesture, facial expression, body language, and eye contact.
Okay guys, after you know the definition of non-verbal communication, I'm going to explain to you what is the difference between verbal communication and non-verbal communication. Verbal communication is a face-to-face communication or with media, for example using smartphone. Similar to verbal communication, non-verbal communication is also happen in the direct or face-to-face communication. However, non-verbal communication is not based on sound, but based on gestures and body position, facial expression, eye contact, and conversational distance. The main advantage of non-verbal communication is that non-verbal messages have a high level of the truth of the message conveyed. For the example of non-verbal communication will explain by my friends. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Sadia Permaiswari. I want to explain about body language or body movement. Body movement can be used to reinforce or emphasize what a person is saying and also offer information about the emotion and attitudes of a person. However, it's also possible for body movements to conflict with what is said. A skilled observer may be able to detect such discrepancies in behavior and use them as a clue to what someone is really feeling and thinking. There are several different categories of body movement. This includes emblem, and then illustrator, regulator, adaptor, and posture. Open and closed posture. Someone sit in closed position might have his or her arms folded, leg crossed, or be positioned at a slight angle from the person with whom they are interacting. In an open posture, you might expect to see someone directly facing you with hands apart on the arms of the chair. An open posture can be used to communicate openness or interest in someone and read lines to listen, whereas the closed posture might imply discomfort or disinterest. Okay, I thank you for your attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Iva Luxpia. I'm from class 5-1. I will explain to you about facial expressions. Facial expression is one more motions or positions of the muscle beneath the skin of the face. According to one of controversial theories, this movement conveys the emotional stage of an individual to observers. Facial expressions are a form of nonverbal communications. The eyes are often viewed as an important feature of facial expressions. Aspects such as a blinking red can possibly be used to indicate whether a person is nervous or whether he or she is lying. Our eye contact is considered an important aspect of interpersonal communications. However, there are cultural differences regarding the social propriety of maintaining eye contact or not. Beyond the accessory nature of facial expressions is spoken communications between people. They play a significant role in communication with sign language. Many phrases in sign language include facial expressions in the display. I will give you some facial expressions from myself.
Hello everybody, I'm Wira Krisnawati Hutagal. I want to explain to you what is it conversation distance. Conversation distance is the speech it takes for a person to feel comfortable talking to another person. Varies widely from culture to culture and from state to state. Most people find that they need more personal speech when talking to close friends and other people. The following video describes me meeting my best friend at the park while walking. Here is an example of the video and check it out.
Hi, are you Tio? Hi, yes, I'm Tio. Do we know each other? I'm Wira, a friend Yerika. Oh, see, how do you do? Good. Are you still living with Yerika? Yes, I am. We have been living together almost 2 years. Cool. I'm sorry I have to leave now. It's nice to see you again. Call you. Please say hello from me with Yerika. I will. Thank you, Tio. Nice to meet you. See you. Nice to meet you.